y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, or if you don't know, my name is Robin, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you all how I laid this wig. Yes, girl, get into it. It's a really cute wig, and guess what? I got it from Amazon. Yes, I got it from Amazon, just like one of my previous videos. If you have not watched that video, make sure you go watch it. Like I always say, watch that video before you watch this video, then come back and watch this video. I did get this wig from Amazon to answer all of your questions. The link will be in the description so you will know more about the wig. Before you order the wig or with anything that you order, make sure that you read the reviews. Like, always read the reviews. Why would you not want to read the reviews? Read the reviews to anything that you order. That way you know if you're about to get scammed. That way you know if this wig is not really what they say it is. Just always read the reviews. Like I did. That's why I ordered this wig, because the reviews were pretty good. And with anything that I order, I always leave a review. So by the time you see this video and you look at the link in the description, you might see my review on Amazon. And if you watch this video, you're going to see my review. But anyways, the wig is really cute, as you can see. And if you want to see how I installed it, make sure you keep watching the video. Before we get into the video, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you turn on the bell so you'll be notified every single time I post. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, this wig was not from the same, I guess you can say, vendor. I guess, I don't know. It was kind of disappointing a little bit. It is a wet and wavy wig, if I can't remember. The link will be in the description. If you like the wig, the link will definitely be in the description, so you can go purchase you one if you want. I mean, it's not nothing to brag about, but it came from Amazon, so what could you expect? The wig came in a box like this, and it says love at first sight. Like, yeah, just plain like that. And this is the wig right here. I've already like bleached the knots and stuff. I kind of messed up, but it doesn't matter. But this is the wig right here. The only thing that came in the box was 2 wig caps. It's not like the last wig that I ordered and you get to choose a gift and then she will send it to you. It's not like that. They don't send you no lashes or nothing like that. The total price of the wig was $113, but you know, with shipping and stuff, everything rung up to $126 or $125 or something like that. So yeah, about the wig, I ordered it to be a 22-inch wig, but it's not. If I had to guess, I would say this is probably like 16 inches. So it's not true to size. And it does shed, but I think all wigs like this shed just because of the curliness, but I'm not sure. But it does shed like a lot, but it is what it is. And today we're going to slay it. If you would like to see that, make sure you continue watching, like the video, and I hope that you are subscribed. And I thank you all for the love and support. And yeah, let's get into it. So I don't have an electric hot comb. I got a real old school hot comb where you have to heat that thing up on the stove, and I didn't want to do all that, so I just use a curling wand and it works just as fine. As always, I forgot to put makeup in my lace, but once I figured out that I could put makeup on the outside of the lace, I was very much giving the girl a scalp. In this step where you're about to finish, I would highly advise not to blow dry it because your curls are going to come out better when they're air dry. So do not blow dry it. Just be patient and let their hair dry on its own, because your outcome will look so much better. Anyways, y'all, so I just wanted to insert this video in there because I installed this wig probably, I want to say, a week before my birthday, and my birthday has been maybe about 2 or 3 weeks. And don't mind the lace because I know it's looking a little messy, but that's not the point. Anyways, so I just wanted to get into it because, y'all, the lace is literally like ripping. Like, it's literally ripping like a bald spot, and I just like can y'all see it? I don't know, but it's ripping. Like, the lace, literally the head of the lace is ripping. And you know, I don't really mind it because you cannot see it unless I show you, you know what I'm saying? So if I have it covered up, you cannot see it, and you would never know that it has I guess you could say a bald spot. And I'm just putting that out there because if you're the type of person who really cares about your lace and you're really into hair and all of that, then this may not be the wig for you because sis is ripping. But if you're like me, and yes, you care about your hair, yes, you care about how you look, but you don't really care about your laces and all of that stuff. Like, I don't know all about laces and HD laces, transfer. I don't know nothing all about that. So I don't really have the best knowledge on hair, but I know that my lace should not be ripping, you know what I'm saying? So this wig may not be for you if you're going to have a problem with that. Like I said, it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I had this wig on. Well, of course I take it off and reinstall it, but I probably washed it maybe about 2 times, and I don't know, it's just ripping. I don't know why it's ripping. It just started ripping maybe about a couple of days ago. I don't know if I be brushing too hard or whatever it is, but I just wanted to insert this clip in there so that y'all will know what's really up about the wig. So yeah, get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Get into it. It's really cute. The wig did turn out to be very, very cute. If you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, sis. Subscribe for me. Subscribe. But as always, the link to this wig will be in the description box. And you can order you one. Order one for your sister. Order one for your mama. Order one for anybody that you want to order for. Christmas coming up. Be generous. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, the link to this wig will be in the description box. So, make sure you look in the description box for the wig. And, yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.